My name is Lexi, and I'm possibly gonna miss my finals, but it's fine.
Hey!
So you see
Laura, Carlos, Michaela.
They cancel our flight, but you know, I don't argue. So we're just renting
We're
a
trying
van
to visit
and
the
hit it out there.
University of Tennessee. Go Vols! Woo!
I'm the farm babe from Florida, and I'm the keynote speaker in Knoxville on Tuesday, so we're gonna go and I'm gonna make my speech.
We made it to Knoxville, we're here, and I might not even be late for work, so.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.